Hi there, I'm glad you checked out my profile. Emmanuel Wambazu is my name. I am a results-driven digital marketer and WordPress web designer. I am based here in Kampala, Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. My skills include digital media planning. It is from research that a great number of businesses that are carrying out digital marketing activities do not have a structured approach. So in my case, I use the SourceStack marketing framework to come up to strategize digital marketing actions with a feasible plan. So if you're looking for someone who will help you come up with a digital marketing plan that will work specifically for you to help you grow your business and increase revenue, I am the right person to do that for you. I also do digital media buying. So if you're looking for expert help running advertising campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, I got your back on this. And lastly, I design stunning websites in WordPress using Elementor Pro. I've included some of the websites that are built in my portfolio. Make it a point to check them out. And if you like what you see, please send me a message. We shall get started on something.